Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're gonna talk again about RDP, remote desktop server. So here I bring to you this website. It's in my view the most cheap one if you have to build a strong VPS. As you will see here, there is cloud storage. Well, let's say just cloud VPS. It's really enough for our case. If you want to create or build a website on it, or maybe just run random videos on that VPS, or use it to upload videos for YouTube or wherever, really what is your choice. So here we have unlimited traffic, which is, well, this for website, but you can use it too for your personal use. Here we have 4 CPU, 4 cores, and with 5 giga RAM, and only for almost $7. This is strong if you want to build. And something here, there is the brand new envy machine, which is integrated on this server, web server. Here, well, no need to use these ones because they are very high. If you having a project for maybe mining, you can choose this one. It's really enough. Or this one for mega project. Here, for just personal use, you can use this. Well, this is not our subject.